is meow. Yay! D is for drum, let's play it now. Hey! A, B, C, D, come sing with me. Hey! E, F, G, H, fun as can be. Hey!
What if I told you that the entire video you're watching right now was created using nothing but free AI tools? Yup. Every song, image, and animation all made in under 20 minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, even if you've never edited a single video before. Now, you might be wondering, why make these kinds of videos? Well, children's learning and music content is one of the fastest growing and most profitable niches on YouTube right now. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face, record your voice, or have any fancy setup. Just look at Cocomelon, one of the biggest kids' channels in the world. They've built an empire with over 190 million subscribers and more than 196 billion views, generating anywhere from $500,000 to $8 million every single month in ad revenue. Crazy, right? So, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to create your very own animated children's song videos using AI. Perfect for education, entertainment, or even building a profitable YouTube business from scratch. Every great kids video starts with a fun idea. If you're not sure where to begin, no worries, AI's got your back. Open ChatGPT and think about the type of song you want. Do you want something educational, like a counting song? Or maybe something catchy like a dance tune or an alphabet rhyme? Some of the most popular categories include ABC songs, animal sound songs, bedtime lullabies, good manners and daily routines. Type a prompt like, 1. Create a fun and upbeat children's song that teaches the alphabet from A to Z with a happy melody. 2. Give me prompts to generate 3D animated visuals for each alphabet, with kids around, and let ChatGPT will instantly generate creative lyrics for you. You can even ask it to write multiple versions and pick your favorite. Then, tweak a few lines if needed. Make sure the words are easy to sing, repeatable, and fun. Once you're happy, copy your lyrics into a document. We'll use them soon. Let's start by generating images in Leonardo AI. We'll use the prompts ChatGPT created, one for each letter of the alphabet. Just copy and paste the prompt for the letter you're on. Wait for Leonardo AI to generate the images. Choose the best one. Download it. And then repeat the process for each letter of the alphabet. Now we'll use Hailuo AI to bring those images to life. Upload the images you generated in Leonardo AI one by one. Wait for Hailuo AI to generate the images, choose the best one, download it, and then repeat the process for each letter of the alphabet. All the links to the tools I've used in this video are available in the description. Now that we've got our lyrics, it's time to bring them to life with music. We'll be using Suno AI, a tool that can turn simple text into professional quality songs with vocals and instruments. Whether you want an upbeat tune, a jazzy vibe, or a soothing lullaby, Suno AI can do it in seconds. Head over to their website, link in the description, and create a free account. You'll get 50 credits to start. Click Create, choose Custom Song, and paste your lyrics. Pick a genre, maybe upbeat nursery rhyme or playful pop. Then hit Generate and let the AI do the magic. In less than a minute, you'll have a complete song. Vocals, beats, everything. Preview a few versions.
K is for kite, up in the sky. L is for ladybug, crawling by. I-J-K-L, we love.
Choose the best one and download it as an MP3. Just like that, you've created a professional children's song without hiring a composer or touching an instrument. Now, Let's stitch everything together into a full video using CapCut, a free and beginner-friendly editor. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your animated clips and the MP3 song you made earlier. Drag the clips onto the timeline and sync them with the lyrics. Use the auto caption feature to add on-screen lyrics automatically. Add transitions, stickers, and fun effects to keep it lively. Double-check your timing, adjust volume levels, and export in 4K for the best quality. Let's see the end results.
Come on, kids, sing loud with me. Let's learn our letters A to Z. A is for apple, red and round. B is for bull that bounces on the ground. C is for cat who says meow. D is for drum, let's play it now. A, B, C, D, come sing with me. E, F, G, H, fun as can be.
And there you have it. A complete AI-generated kids' song video made in less than 20 minutes, all without showing your face or recording a single line. You now have everything you need to start your own Faceless Kids channel, create fun educational content, and potentially build a profitable income stream, all powered by AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on making money with AI tools. New videos every week, showing you exactly how to automate creativity and turn it into income.